Good morning, all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yesterday we have completed up to the company code global parameters. And today we are going to discuss about new GL accounting. Put a heading as a new GL accounting. Any questions before I proceed? From anyone? Any questions?
From my side.
Okay. So we can proceed. Good to go, right?
Yes.
So up to this configuration, we know that whatever posting is what we have seen. This is classic GL accounting. Now, new GL accounting. So before going to new GL accounting, so to do new GL accounting, we need to do some prerequisite configuration. Prerequisite configuration, that is nothing but, so you just write it down. Prerequisites for prerequisite for new GL accounting. Means to activate new GL accounting, we need to follow these steps first of all. New GL accounting. Prerequisites for new GL accounting. Okay. First, what are the things we need to do is, first of all, we need to activate group currency. Group currency. Group currency, or you can write it as a define group currency. Define group currency. Next one, maintain controlling area. Next one, maintain profit center. Profit center standard hierarchy. Maintain profit center standard hierarchy. Next one, maintain. Already we maintained for Indian company fiscal year variant, right? So we have one company code, US also. So for that, we need to maintain for reporting purpose separate fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant, maintain fiscal year variant Jan to December. Maintain posting period variant from Jan to December. Just write it down. So to activate, to do work on new GL accounting, first we need to do these configurations. Fine, just write it down. Define group currency, maintain controlling area, maintain profit center standard hierarchy, maintain fiscal year variant from Jan to December. Okay. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. How many, till now, how many currencies we have defined?
INR and two
No, what we
currencies.
call them? What we call them? What we call them, those currencies?
Domestic.
Sorry?
Domestic currency.
Local currency and
Reporting currency.
sorry?
Reporting.
Reporting currency, again, that is something different. That is nothing but your group currency or hard currency, reporting currency. I'll tell you. So we have defined, we have already seen three currencies. One is first one we have done local currency, what you said, or nothing but company code currency. Don't forget this local currency or company code currency, where we defined this, local currency.
General setting.
Sorry,
General setting.
not general settings. Local currency, company code currency. That is hard currency, right? Where we did general settings. This is at company code creation. At, don't forget this again. It's an interview question compulsory, where we will define company code currency. So that will be at company code level. That will be defined at company code level. So for example, we have defined 3 company codes. Okay. For example, I'll show you OX02. It's done. So what are our company codes?
AI
BI01, BI02, BU01, correct?
Yes.
Okay, let me share this file. You're also facing the same issue like server who have taken from Venkat. Okay, click on position button. Click on position button. Company code BI01. So BI01. So we have created, see here, INR. INR currency. So at the company code level, we have created. This currency is called local currency or company code currency. Okay, whatever transactions we are going to post in company code BI01, that will be stored under INR currency. Same thing, we have 2 more company codes. Okay. So here again, BI02 INR and BU01. BU01 USD. For BU01, it's a US company code, and we have USD. Correct? So here, don't get confused interview point of where you define the local currency, where you are going to define local currency. Clear? That is very 100% guaranteed interview question. So don't forget that local currency means it's nothing but a company code currency. At the time of company code creation, at the time, not company creation, at the time of company code creation, we are going to create the local currency or company code currency. Clear? Next one, we have hard currency. Next one is hard currency. Hard currency, where we define hard currency. You remember hard currency, where we will define? Kindly practice it. Without practice, we won't remember this. At country level, general settings, whatever you set, country level. Okay, in general settings. Okay. So /n OY01 /n OY01. Okay, so we can see country settings, country, IN. So click on IN. You can see here, this is called hard currency. At country level, we have selected hard currency as an USD. And same time, US also we maintain the same currency. Okay, hard currency. At country settings, at country level settings, we will define US also we maintain the same USD currency. Here. Where we will maintain hard currency? Where we will maintain hard currency?
At country.
General setting
Country level.
level.
Next one, we have one more. Global currency. This will be defined at company level, corporate company when we create. Right, when we created Birla group of companies, right? Okay, where we've created company level, that is nothing but we can check in OX15. You can see here your company Birla. You can see here. See here. INR currency. This is nothing but global currency. Global currency that will be defined at company level. At company level, company code level, country level. 3 currencies we have already defined. Clear? So one more currency we are going to define now. Understood, everyone? So remember these things. Local currency or company code currency at company code level, hard currency country level, global currency at company level. Next one, now we are going to define group currency. Group currency at the rate client level. What is our client? What is our client? What is our client?
800.
What under which client we are working right now?
800.
Sorry?
800.
800. Perfect. So remember these 4 settings. Local currency or company code currency will be maintained at company code level. Hard currency at country level. Global currency at company level. Clear? Next one, group currency at client level. This is as per interview point of it's very important. Just write it down. Okay. Client level we can see. Okay, how we are going to maintain? Write down SCC4. Write down the transaction. How the currency will be maintained, or else I'll write here. Group currency at client level. T code if anybody wants. T code SCC4. SCC4. So you can write here SCC4 /n SCC4. Go to SCC4. Okay, this particular in real time, this particular setting will be done by your basis consultant. Okay, you know who is a basis consultant in real time. So in real time, we may not have FICO consultant may not have access for this transaction code. Clear? This particular transaction code is related to basis consultant. So here, but in our practical environment, training environment, what we need to do is, okay, here you can see client 800. Earlier we have discussed, right? What are the standard clients? 000 client, 001, 066 client, 800 client. I have given the explanation for each and every client. Correct?
Client standard one.
Yeah. So these are the SAP standard one. Here you can see client 800. So as I said that 066 early watch, the 001 delivery means so the copy of the 000 client, right? So here we are maintaining group currency in INR. So it could be anything. So very first time it will show in euro because it's a German product. SAP is so training environment also you will get in euro itself, right? If you want to change, then you need to click on new entries. Then you can change it. Click on edit button. Click on display change. Okay. So caution, it will show the table is cross client. Then you can select it. You can change the currency, whatever currency your client require as a group currency. So here I am selecting group currency as an INR. Okay. And click on save button. Just write it down. Okay. Any questions? So group currency is nothing but whatever client, whoever are using 800 client, the group currency will become INR currency. But for the first time, it will show euro currency.
So
Okay.
why are we changing to INR? No.
Sorry.
Why are we changing to INR?
INR in the sense I want to generate all the three different currencies are there. Sorry, 3 different company codes are there, right? Group reporting I want at INR level.
So it's our wish we can.
Sorry?
It's our wish, right? Because the company is for India. That's the reason we are.
That's the reason, exactly. If it is yours is in Netherlands or Switzerland, then probably you will go with other currency. If yours is in Great Britain, then you want all, whatever may be the companies, wherever it is, but at the end you want to generate in a group currency report, then you will select GBP. Because my corporate office is in India, so that's the reason I'm selecting INR.
So as this is like, for example, we are in 800, we are able to change.
One second. I'll just close background noises there from my end. Yeah, please go ahead. Yes, please go ahead, Arif.
Yeah. So as this is test, we are able to do it in real time. Basis consultant will do these changes.
Yeah,
in the
it's not our configuration step. The basic consultant will take care of this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this, what is 810, 811, 812?
Sorry?
810, 811, 812?
811, these are the backups actually. These are which are SAP standard provided clients. Means if at all any issues we are facing at the time of practice, already companies and default company codes, already the default configurations are provided under these clients.
This is also
as a guide. As a guide, you can go ahead and you can check.
And this also test system only.
Yeah, in the same system. Under 800 clients. So that's the reason I made it very clear in the beginning itself. So normally in interview, they will ask you under which client you have worked, under which client environment you have worked. Then definitely I ask the people not to say 000 client, 001 client, 066 client and 800 series at all. Because 800 series, these are nothing but training versions. So apart from this 800 series and 066, 001 and 000, don't use any other client numbers except these clients.
Okay.
Here, these are nothing but SAP has provided for training environment. Fine?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Because in my SAP, I see 900 also.
No, that's actually, even we are not sure why they have taken as an 800, but they have giving for 800 series for training and this purpose, practice purpose.
Okay. 900 is not a practice one, right?
No, it's not a 900 because 900 you can use it. 900 real environment, you may get it.
In my remote access, I can see 900.
Sorry?
In my remote access, which I have taken right from Supriya, it's showing 900 client also one.
So probably they have configured, but in general SAP standard, 800 series is the practice environment. training environment. But in real time also, when your client has taken SAP server access, then probably they can use 900 client also.
900 also they can.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. By default here, euro will be there. So you can, the basis consultant will change according to the client requirement. Okay. So if you want to change, then click on change button. Click on change button. So select client 800 and change the currency here. Change the currency here. Change the currency from euro to as per the client requirement. But in our practice environment, change it to INR. Change it to INR.
Yeah.
Okay. So here you need to log off and log in again. Then it will be, the changes will be get effected. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And here, now you can see you have a 4 currencies in your system right now. One is, right? We have,
Global currency. What is the T code actually? Global.
sorry.
Global currency for company level. T code. T code.
I didn't get you.
I mean global currency company level T code. I'm checking.
You are asking T code. I'll show you all the T codes here. OBY8.
OX50.
This one you can go with OY01.
Okay.
Company code OX02.
Yes.
Okay. And SEC4. Fine. This is for company code reporting, local reporting. We will go with the INR currency. And for local currency, INR. Okay. Hard currency. Group reporting. Global currency. INR we have maintained. And here also we have maintained INR. That's it. Write it up. Is this clear?
Yes. Give me 1 moment. INR.
This is step number 1. Currency settings. Next one, step number 2. First step, you can write it as an currency okay. Second, maintain controlling area. Write down maintain controlling area. Write down maintain controlling area. Okay.
Yes.
Earlier, this controlling area wasn't mandatory for CO module. But now, from EHP, ECC 6 onwards, it is moved to, okay, or you can write it as a heading controlling area or maintain controlling area. Controlling area is a, write down, controlling area is a highest hierarchy, highest hierarchy, highest hierarchy, highest hierarchy in CO module, highest hierarchy in CO module, highest hierarchy in CO module. Based on this, based on this, based on this, based on this, we can generate all, we can generate all, we can generate all cost and management reports. We can generate all cost and management reports for internal analysis, and decision making, for internal analysis and decision making. Full stop. From ECC 6.0 version onwards, from ECC 6.0 version onwards, from ECC 6.0 version onwards, controlling area is a mandatory component in finance module, mandatory component in finance module to implement new GL profit center accounting, new GL profit center accounting. Okay. Earlier, it was not a part of FI module. It was a part of CO module. Clear? Till that, it is known as a classic GL. In the previous module, FI is separate and CO is not separate. But now it is a one module as an FICO. Clear? Any questions here?
Now this is moved to FI module right now, right?
Sorry?
From controlling, it is moved to FI module now.
Which one? This controlling area.
Yeah.
The controlling. See, earlier, as I said that, what is the formula was? Earlier, when classic accounting was there, when controlling area was in CO module, how we used to generate a report in the sense GL debit equal to GL credit. That's it. So we can generate reports, we can generate reports only at GL view. That's it. GL. We can see only the GL balance, debit balances, the GL credit balances. But most of the clients are not satisfied with only a single dimensional report. So they want multi-dimensional report with multiple currencies. Then SAP came up with the new GL accounting with profit center hierarchy, profit center accounting, new GL profit center accounting. What was the revolution taken place in this, in the sense, till the controlling area was in CO module, we used to generate reports only this one. But when it is moved from controlling area to FI module, then we can able to generate multi-dimensional reporting. Like as I said earlier also, GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment debit equal to GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment credit. Means what does it mean? So we can see the debit balance of GL accounting and credit balances of GL accounting. Business area wise, we can see debit and credit balances. We can view profit center wise debit and credit balances, and segment wise we can view debit and credit balances. And along with that, we can have different currency reports also. Group currency report, we can generate local currency, document currency, and hard currency or group currency reports. You can view it. Is this clear? Earlier, it was not possible in classic GL version. So this is the main object of moving the controlling area from CO module to FI module. Clear? So here we are calling it as an FICO, but when it comes to S4 HANA, we don't have a separate modules called FI and CO. We used to call it as an simple finance. What do you mean by simple finance? It is a combination of your FI and CO. FICO. Normally people call it as an FICO, but we are in ECC 6 EHP 7 version, we call it as an FICO. But when it comes to S4 HANA, there is no concept called FICO. We have a concept called simple finance, simplified finance. Is this clear? We will see. I'll show you more when we start up with the S4 HANA part.
Okay.
Any questions still here? Yes, no?
No questions.
Yeah. Okay. So earlier the controlling area was required only for CO module, but now you know that it is required for FI module. Right? Again, one interview question. What is the major change in new GL accounting or classic? What is the difference between new GL accounting and classic GL accounting in the sense? Earlier in classic GL accounting, controlling area was with a component of CO module. But from ECC 6 onwards, that has moved from CO module to FI module. Why? Because of the client requires multi-dimensional reporting. Then you can use this formula. Fine?
Yeah.
Write down, full stop and continue. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Can be maintained in two methods. First one, controlling area equal to company codes. Controlling area equal to company codes. That is nothing but 1:n methodology. We are using again and again 1:n methodology. You need to understand by now what do you mean by 1:n methodology. Okay, next one. Controlling area equal to company code. That is nothing but 1:1 methodology. So one company code, one controlling area. Write up. Below write up. Is it done? About two methods we can maintain. So controlling area equal to 1:n methodology, controlling area equal to company code, 1:1 methodology. So below write down. Below write down. If we are maintaining or if we are creating controlling area, as 1:n methodology, 1:n methodology, 1:n methodology, if we are creating controlling area with 1:n methodology, with 1:n methodology, 1:n methodology, all member company codes, all member company codes, all member company codes must have to maintain, all member company codes must have to maintain common operational chart of accounts, common operational chart of accounts, comma, write down comma, common fiscal year variant, common fiscal year variant, and the currencies may differ, and the currencies may different, and currencies may different. Okay, differ. So when it is eligible, if we want to use all the company codes, one controlling area in the sense, all the company codes should have same operational chart of accounts. They are using same operational chart of accounts and same fiscal year. Same fiscal year, that is nothing but April to March, right? But the currencies can be different. For example, in our example, we have created BI01, BI02, and BU01. We are using for all the three company codes, we are using same operational chart of accounts, right? And same time we are using same fiscal year variant, but the currencies are different. Local currencies are different. BI01, BI02, we are using INR, and BU01 USD, we are using it. Clear? Any questions? Okay.
No question.
Okay. Right. Right on. Okay. Right now. One more. If we are creating controlling area 1:1 methodology, if you are creating controlling area 1:1 methodology, 1:1 methodology, all company code attributes, all company code attributes, all company code attributes will copied, will be copied, will be copied to, will be copied to, will be copied to controlling area, or you can write it as a copied from, will be copied from company code to, will be copied from company code to controlling area. Write down with the attributes means write down attributes. So write down what do you mean attribute? Operational chart of accounts, comma, chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, and currencies. Clear? When we are maintaining 1:1 methodology, then all the attributes in the sense what? For example, company code BI01, we are maintaining April to March. BU01, we are maintaining, for example, Jan to December, right? And operational chart of accounts, we are using V3, and over there we are using K4. For example, K4 is nothing but Jan to December, V3 is nothing but April to March to April to March. Okay. Clear? So what does it mean? Here, whatever we create, that automatically will be copied from company code to controlling area when we are following 1:n methodology. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. For example, I can say you What is my client here? Client 800, operating concern, and this we are going to create in COPA module. This operating concern we are going to create, that would be our last thing in our topics. So this will be created in COPA module. We have not created yet this controlling area operating concern. Now under this we have, what I'll do is I'll move it. Okay, next one we have controlling area 1:n methodology. Controlling area 1. Okay, next one. Controlling area 2. Or you can write like this, controlling area 2, which we are following 1:1 methodology. 1:1 methodology. Okay, so here we have company code 1. Company code 1. Company code 1. Company code 2. Company code 3. Next one, company code 4. So take this picture. Write down this picture. So understood, one controlling area, number of company codes. One controlling area with one company code. So here, if I want to assign one controlling area to one three different member company codes, in the sense, what are the similarities it should have? It should follow same operational chart of account. It should follow same fiscal year, and currencies can be different. But here, if I'm using in the sense, independent controlling area for each company code, in the sense, maybe the currencies are currencies, okay, it's accepted. Maybe fiscal years are different and chart of accounts are different. Then we can't use controlling 1:n methodology. We need to follow 1:1 methodology. Clear? Now we will map this to our Birla. So we will map the same thing to our Birla. Okay. So here the same thing. What is my client? 800 client. So here operating concern, I'll create it as an BOCN. And I am creating 1:n methodology. So that is nothing but BCOA, Birla controlling area. Birla BOC, we have created BOCA, Birla operational chart of accounts. Here I am creating Birla, okay, controlling area. And what are my company codes? What are my company codes here? Yes,
BI01,
BI01,
BI02,
BI01, BI02. Okay, next one we have BU01, correct? BU01. And we are following chart of accounts. What is our chart of accounts we followed? What are the chart of accounts we have followed? I think you people are not practicing. What is the chart of accounts we followed? Yes, what is the chart of accounts we follow? We have created. We have created BOCA, Birla Operational Chart of Accounts. Please practice or else it's waste. BOCA, fiscal year variant. Fiscal year we have variant. Fiscal year variant. What is the fiscal year variant? We have prepared BV. BV. Next one, we have created company code currencies. Company code currency. Here for BI01, BI02, we are maintaining INR currency. And here it is USD. Just write it down. Just write it down. So here I'll take it as in same picture I'll take. Okay, operational chart of accounts. I'll go with your next one. I will go with the same. Just write it down as it is. Common chart of accounts, common fiscal year variant, but currencies are different. Just write it down. So here I'll write it client if you want for your clarity. This is my client 800. In real time, that could be different. Birla operating concern. Birla operating concern. Next one. Birla controlling area. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I just disconnected.
Okay. Any questions?
What exactly this one?
So only the picture we have created, whatever we have seen. So here we have client is 800. BOCN is nothing but Birla operating concern, which we are going to see in COPA module, not right now. So now we are going to look at controlling area. That is nothing but Birla controlling area. And already we have defined these particular things. So
Okay, that means controlling area got added here, right?
controlling area for
I mean, controlling area got added here.
added here, yes, in in FI module from ECC 6 version onwards. Prior to that, it was CO component.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Otherwise, prior to your ECC, this PCOA will not be there
Where
here in the chart, right?
see profit center accounting was in CO module earlier, but
Mhm.
now profit center accounting is also component of FI module only. Because of controlling area has moved. Controlling area consists of profit center accounting. Clear?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So write down next step. We will create one profit center. This one, write down. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Write down the path. We'll do this configuration step and we'll wind it up. Path SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Definition. Controlling. So here we are not into FI module. You can see here controlling, not financial accounting. We are selecting controlling. Next one, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Transaction code OX06. Transaction code OX06. Okay. So write down SPRO. 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 SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Sorry for this. Okay, so here we need to go to enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. The next we need to select definition. Definition. So definition. So here we have financial accounting. These are the modules in SAP. Functional modules. Right? Financial accounting, CO module, logistics, sales and distribution. Again, in logistics, we have number of material management and all those stuff. Okay, so we will see this later. Fine. Controlling. Click on controlling. Next, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. IMG activity. OX06. Transaction code is OX06. OX06. Click on IMG activity button. 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 Next one. Double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. So activities will be displayed. So out of that, double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. And after that, press new entries. Press new entries. I'm slow. I'll talk to him today that in the morning hours, afternoon batches and the evening batches, it's fast only, but here only the problem. So click on new entries, press new entries, press new entries.
Supriya one is fast actually.
Sorry?
Supriya, which I have taken, right?
No, it's not Supriya's one, it's another one, it's another person's.
Even screen is also different. Your screen and my screen.
Probably you got EHP 8 version, little bit advanced, that's it. But no more changes, that is related to little S4 HANA version. Whatever you have. That is EHP 8, EHP 8.1, we are using EHP 7. Okay.
Okay.
That will not be a challenge. Okay. So what is the controlling area we want to create here? What is the controlling area we want to create here? DCOA. Don't forget this, write it down. So controlling area, DCOA. DCOA. Controlling area. Okay. Next, write it down. Name. Birla controlling area. Birla controlling area. Birla controlling area. Write down. So here we need to select here. I'll explain. Controlling area is the same as company code, cross company code costing. So here I'm selecting cross company code costing. I'll explain this. What does it mean? Currency type. Currency type. 30 group currency. We need to generate group currency report. INR group currency. So what is our chart of accounts? If you don't remember, you can go ahead with selection. Okay, what is a BOCA, Birla operational chart of accounts? So fiscal year variant also, if you don't remember, you can check. This would be BV. We have given Birla April to March. Just write it down as it is. Just write it down as it is. That is nothing but your group currency. Group currency is nothing but we have already discussed. What do you mean by group currency? INR. See here, what does it mean? Group cross company code cost accounting means whenever we are following 1:n methodology, you remember in operational chart of accounts also we followed the same, right? So here 1:n methodology in the sense intercompany transactions are possible. But if you are selecting controlling area, same as company code means company code attributes will be copied to controlling area. That is nothing but separate fiscal year variant, separate what we call chart of accounts. Then we can't do intercompany costing, intercompany transaction if we are following controlling area same as company code. So select cross company code costing. This is nothing but 1:n methodology. So whenever you are following controlling area 1:n methodology, then intercompany code cost accounting is possible, which means that intercompany transactions are possible. Clear? We have already discussed in our chart of accounts. Okay, click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save button. So Birla only, right? So save it. Okay. So what we will do one more step, we will assign to company codes. The rest of the things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Write down second step. So we have defined controlling area now. So already how to change group currency we saw. Write down assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. Path same as above till enterprise structure. Path same as above till enterprise structure. From there select assignment. From there select assignment. From there select assignment. Next controlling. Next controlling. Next assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. Transaction code OX19. 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 So don't forget this operational chart of accounts and controlling area. Okay, next one, press back button. Press back button. Yes. Okay. So here, close this. So here we have a definition part. So click on assignment, assignment, controlling. Controlling. Assign company code to controlling area. OX19, OX19. So here, click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Once it's executed, click on position button. Click on position button and it will ask for controlling area. Okay, next one, click on position button. It will ask for controlling area. Give your controlling area. What is our controlling area? BCOA, correct?
BCOI. Yes.
BCOA, correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, click on OK button. Click on OK button. Select here. Select BCOA. Select BCOA. And click on assignment of company codes. Double click on assignment of company codes. Double click on assignment of company codes. Double click on assignment of company codes. Press new entries. Press new entries. So here we need to press 3 company codes. BI01, BI02, BU01. Okay, double click on assignment of company codes. Give your company codes. See here controlling area BCOA and we have assigned BI01, BI02, BU01. So controlling area is assigned to all the company codes. One controlling area, one controlling area, number of company codes. Write down a note here. Write down a note. One company code can be assigned to. One company code can be assigned to. One company code can be assigned to. One company code. One controlling area. One controlling area. One controlling area. But one controlling area may have. One controlling area may have. One controlling area may have multiple company codes. Multiple company codes. This is also put a star mark. Multiple company codes. Multiple company codes. You keep this as a star mark. Okay, because interview point of view, this is important question. So click on save button and select your transport request. Select your transport request, say okay. 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 So we will see the next steps in tomorrow's session. That is activate components in controlling it. That is next step. Any questions here? So tomorrow we are going to see the most important things. Again, every day we are going to see the important things only, but the new activities we are going to see before new GL accounting part. Is this clear, everyone? Any questions? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
I know.
Yes.